Hello guys, welcome to the FX Lions 254 YouTube channel. My name is Oscar. Today's lesson will be talking about things you need to look into before starting Forex if you are a novice trader. So basically, one thing you have to ask yourself is, what is Forex trading? So when it comes to Forex, you have to understand that most of you probably have heard the name Forex. It's commonly understood by many. Forex simply means the exchange of one country's currency to the other. So if you have traveled before, before you travel somewhere, probably you will convert the dollar to, let's say, Kenyan shillings, or let's say the Japanese yen. So basically, another thing you also have to know is, or understand, is the people who participate in the forex market. So there's an hierarchy of forex, the people who participate in the forex market. So looking into the biggest players in the forex market, the people that control the forex market, they are the big banks, the commercial banks. So if you put your money in the banks, they normally use your money to trade through the forex market, then they give you commissions. So basically, let's say if you look at the US economy, you learn that the biggest banks controlled by the Feds, which is the Federal Reserve Bank of America. So we have big banks like the JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, we have the HBC, we have banks like, there are many Barclays banks. So these banks are the ones that participate in the forex market hugely. So then it trickles down to things like hedge funds. If you have heard of hedge funds, they are basically like people who create, let's say, if you have heard like the biggest trader, the likes of Ray Dalio, he has what he calls the Bridgewater Associates. So it's like a pool. They accumulate millions of money from different people, then they manage those amounts through the trading in the forex market. So looking at it this way, so if you are a retail trader, that is now people like us who come in the forex market with little amounts of money, let's say with your $50, $100, and you want to profit from the forex market, then you ask yourself, how can I do that? So basically, one thing you have to know is that there are what we call forex brokers. So forex brokers are like simply like banks, the way you might choose to open an account with a bank. Let's say if you're like in Kenya, you can say I want to open an account with, let's say, Cooperative Bank or Equity Bank. So if you open an account with a broker, it allows you to participate in the forex market through the money you have deposited in the account. So if you are in Kenya, for example, you have to check licensed brokers. If you check at the CMA website, that is the Capital Markets Authority, you'll understand that we have brokers that have been licensed. For example, we have FX Pesa powered by EGM Securities. We have Pepperstone, we have XNest. There are many brokers. You can choose any, but the easier, let's say, for example, if you want to choose a broker that allows you to use M-Pesa, you can use like Pepperstone or FX Pesa. They allow you to deposit with M-Pesa and withdraw with M-Pesa when you make your profits. So that is into the brokers. So you have to choose a broker that is licensed. Another thing, you have to understand that probably you'll need a phone, Wi-Fi, and a laptop. You can use your phone, but with a laptop, it's much easier to analyze the forex market. Then after that, you need to understand things that work in the forex market. You need to understand technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Basically, technical analysis is looking at the future price, at the past price of the market to determine what will happen next. Or probably fundamental analysis is relying on news to understand what will happen in the market. So let's say if like there's something happening in the US, definitely that will affect the US dollar. So you can sell the US dollar against another pair. So those are the things that you need to understand. Then you need to understand that the forex market is open 24 hours daily from Monday to Friday. So you can't trade during the weekends. So another thing you have to understand is what is traded in the forex market. Basically, you can trade many things in the forex market, from currency pairs, from commodities, from metals like gold, and from cryptocurrency, even to stocks themselves. You can also trade stocks. So looking at the forex market, it's basically the largest market, financial market in the world, with an average daily volume of 7.5 trillion US dollars, and followed by the New York Exchange stock market, which is basically like around 22.5 billion US dollars. So the forex market is very huge. It's almost 200 times bigger than the stock market. So that shows you how big the forex market is, how liquid it is. Like you can get in, make as much amount as you can make without shaking the market. So those are the things you need to understand. Then another thing you need to know is the steps to follow before you become a profitable trader. So those are just the simple things I'm telling you about, like having your phone, laptop, those are the basic things. But then you also need the knowledge. You also need to understand how to be able to profit consistently in the forex market, which will take time for you to be able to learn that. So basically, you need to have a mentor or someone who has been in the game for long to be able to guide you and teach you, so that your journey can be shorter. But you can do it on yourself through watching YouTube videos, following traders. But that will be the longer route. But you need to put effort. You need to put time to learn the forex market. It's not something that you just come in and make money. That brings us to the part of the forex market is invested with a lot of scammers. So basically, one thing you have to understand is that I know a lot of people, when they hear about forex, they think about scam. But for scammers to be available in anything, it has to be legit first. So for them to be able to take advantage of the people who are new. So basically, you'll find people online, Instagram, portraying that lifestyle and pretending to be profitable traders. Then they'll inbox you probably to send like your $100 or $200 so that they can be able to trade for you. One thing you have to understand is that those are scammers. You can be able to trade for yourself, and the profits they promise you are huge in a way that it doesn't make sense. Why would someone want to you $100 to make a profit of an extra $100 if he can do that with his own money? So it's not easy, guys. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You have to take time before you get to a point where you can make real money out of the markets. But is it worth it? For sure it is. You can check, you can Google. There are a lot of traders who are living the lifestyle, who have made a lot of millions through the forex market. So it all determines with your mindset and what your goal is in the forex market. So basically, in this channel, we'll be giving you knowledge about the forex market and everything you need to know. So let me know what you want to learn next, and I will catch up with you guys later.